Mr. President, I'm Colin Friedling from France.
Oh, comment allez-vous?
Très bien, merci, Monsieur le Président.
Bon. Poland, first time in our very long history, more than 1,000 years. I would like to repeat, because we are in the United States, Polish history is longer than 1,000 years. So, economically, politically, culturally, militarily, in each sense, to be such country with such weight like Spain. And of course that is not easy, because for Spain it took 15 or 17 years. Of course Spain has some advantage, because Spain has a king, Poland has only president, that is there's some weakness, but I think that is a goal. In the kindergartens, what is the English name? Kindergarten. Yeah. So, very English. Very English, yes. In the kindergartens we have almost 500,000. That is like a population of Malta.